Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Jen. If you are new here, if you are returning, thank you so much for returning. Now today we have a bougie on a budget haul. Look, y'all know, like I know how the economy is going and we need to find a deal any way we can, okay? So I'm coming through to show y'all what I found, some things I'm obsessed with, and I did not break the bank while getting it. And so you don't have to break the bank trying to get it, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the shoes. Honey, I only got one shoe here, but I am obsessed, completely obsessed with this pair of shoes, well, sandals. Oh my gosh, y'all, I got me some Crocs. These are the Brooklyn Luxe sandals, and I got these from Rack Room Shoes for $74.99, honey. I got it in a size 9 because they did not have my size in a 10, but the 9, I had extra room with the 9, so you can size down if they don't have your size. Girl, let's just get into it, okay? Oh my gosh, y'all cannot tell me you are not in love like I am, okay? These are in the color tan. These are so comfortable and stylish. And oh my gosh, like y'all know during the summertime we are walking a lot. We are going to festivals, we are going to concerts, we're just outside, okay? And wearing this will give you all the comfort you need. But they also have the black and the olive in the sandals, and it's so pretty. I love this gold. I love the gold detail that it has. Love that. And it is Velcro. And I was going to get the other flip-flops with like the toe ring. I'll put a picture. Those were comfortable as well, but I opted for this because I love the style. First off, I love the style, and I love the extra comfort that it has. It's so soft. If you can get your hands on it, get your hands on it. It's worth every penny, okay? I will link it below so you guys can get it. My local Rack Room Shoes did have this, but they do have it online. Just try to grab it as fast as you can because I've definitely seen TikToks going viral about these shoes. So get them, okay? Y'all know how TikTok do. So next we're gonna get into the bags. Y'all know I love me a cute bag. We're gonna start off with this Fendi bag. It's called the Fendi Peekaboo I See You bag. It looks just like the original bag. It's so classy. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting over the logo print all over the bag. Like I just want something classy, you know, nothing too loud. This is like perfect for the era, I guess, if you want to call it, that I'm in right now. I don't know what era it is, but I cannot stand saying soft girl era. I can't stand it. I'm in my own era, okay? So this is perfect for me. It's so soft. I love this gold twist lock that it has right here. It just adds a classy touch to it, and then the gold hardware as well. This is so beautiful. Like I said, this bag is so soft. This bag does have one compartment on the inside, and one side is like red leather. The other side is kind of like a brown leather, but it also comes with a detachable strap as well, and it has the Fendi logo on it. And I got this from a company called Win Bags. The quality of their bags is top notch. And this bag is retailing on the Fendi website for $4,400. $4,400, okay? And on WinBag site, this bag is only $135. You're not even spending child a fraction. It's definitely worth every penny. That whole $135. And the shipping, when it comes to Win Bags, their shipping is about 2 weeks, 1.5 to 2 weeks. It's not bad at all. Next we have this beauty right here. I picked this up from Shein. I just love this. It looks so luxe, so expensive, And it's not, girl, it's only $9.65. I love this whole circular detail right here. It does not have a zipper, but it does have a, you know, a open and close button. And on the inside, it does have 2 compartments, one on each side. And the strap right here, this is also adjustable. Right, it just sits on your shoulder. You know, you don't have to keep holding it. It's so cute. I love this. All right, so now we're going to get into sunglasses. I love me a good pair of sunglasses so I can elevate my outfits. I am in love with the Loewe double frame cat eye glasses. I did not want to pay the price for it, you guys. No, it is retailing for over $400, and I'm not gonna pay that much for no sunglasses, okay? So I got my hands on it from a company called Wish Biz, and these are only $77 on their site. This is how the case looks. It has the Loewe logo on it. And I opted for black. They do have different colors on the site. So these are the sunglasses, you guys. I wore these in Vegas and I got so many compliments. These are just so unique, so different, and they look exactly like the original Loewe double frame cat eye glasses, you guys. You can't tell me these are not cute. So this is how it is looking, y'all. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I love this. I love it. It's so classy. It's just giving me that retro type of vibe, but it's classy at the same time. But yeah, take another look. This is how it's looking, and it's only $77, okay? They're heavy, they're not flimsy. You can tell, like, it's sometimes I wonder how you can't even tell the difference between these things sometimes, like you really can't. And it does come with the duster as well. It comes in a box. With Wish Biz, the shipping takes about 2 weeks, so just keep that in mind if you are ordering. But yeah, that's the box that it comes in. Love it. So next we have some Bottega dupes. These are in the pink with the ombre of yellow. I got this from Amazon, from Sojo's on Amazon. You guys know they have the brown and the silver. I have those, but I also love this one. I will insert a picture of me wearing these sunnies with an outfit. It matched my outfit to the T, okay? And these are only $15 on Amazon. I love these, you guys. This is how it's looking. Really cute. It's giving me the retro vibe as well. It's perfect for the summertime. Love them. So next I have these black frames. These are also from Sojo's on Amazon. These are unisex. Men or women can wear this. I love this oversized square frame. Very stylish. And this is on Amazon for $15.99. Let's see how it looks. I literally cannot see anything. I can't see anything, but I love this. I love this square frame. I love how square frames look on my face. I can't wait to wear this. This will be really cute with like some jeans, like some oversized jeans, a nice vest, and some pointed toe shoes. This will look really cute with that. But they do have these in different colors, and it is on Prime, so you can get it tomorrow. That's what it's telling me on the app, tomorrow. Okay. So next we have a Gucci scarf, and this scarf is on Gucci for almost $500. So I got this from Winbags. This is how the box comes. This scarf is only $52 on Winbags site. You guys, look at this scarf. This is a wool scarf. Oh my God, it has some fringe at the end of it. It does have the Gucci logo. This is so pretty. I opted for brown because, you know, brown, neutral, it goes with so many things. I can't wait to wear this. Look at the G's. It looks official. When I tell you guys, this is like a baddie on a budget haul. We are, look, you can't tell me this is not the real thing, okay? real cute. So next we're gonna get into the hats. This first Gucci hat is from Winbags and I love it. I will be wearing it. I'm sure my husband and my son gonna be wearing it too, you know, but I can't wait to wear this with like an athleisure wear type of outfit, you know. This is the hat right here. It looks exactly like the Gucci hat on the Gucci website. So this is on Winbags for $59, and on Gucci this hat is $510. Okay, it does have an adjustable strap at the back, Velcro, comes with the Gucci tag as well. It does have a lot of room, so it is big head friendly, all the things. I love it. And I do have another Gucci hat from WishBiz. I will insert the footage of it, but this hat is only $47 on their site. It looks exactly like the original Gucci hat, and that hat is retailing for over $500 on Gucci's site as well. I love this hat. You know, the neutral color, you can wear it with a lot of things. I just can't wait to wear these hats with like some sweats or some leggings and just go out the door on a bad hair day, you know, still looking stylish and cute, you know, cute at the same time, but you ain't even try much because your hair ain't done. So next we're gonna get into jewelry, you guys. But we have a Chanel necklace. It has the Chanel, you know, C, and it does have a ball on it as well. This is retailing for $54 on WishBiz website, but on Chanel it's over $1,000, y'all. $1,000 for a necklace. No. This is how she's looking. It has a cute ball on it and it's very sturdy. It's not gonna pop. I did wear this like for a day when I was in Vegas and it did not pop. I showered with it and everything, but I took it off. I didn't want to risk popping anything. But it does have the double C's at the end of the necklace as well, right there. Staying on trend with the whole Chanel look, we have this beautiful pearl choker. This is from Shein. It does come with some earrings. Don't know where the earrings at right now, but I just got it for this because I kind of want to get some more pieces so I can layer the pearls, like get a longer pearl necklace so I can layer it. And this is on Shein for $2.41. Okay. Next we have this beautiful layered necklace. This is also from Shein. I will be wearing this in my upcoming hauls. I love this because it has the, you know, different colors on the pendants, and it's so long. It's already layered. It just comes with one clasp, so you don't have to worry about, you know, putting all that on. It is gonna get tangled very fast, so I would say like hang this up on a cute, you know, jewelry holder. This is only $1.75 on Shein. I love this, and you guys know that layering your necklaces, layered necklaces are trendy right now. So next we have these starfish earrings. These are from Shein. I don't think I've worn these yet, but it's so pretty. Perfect for a vacation, going to the beach, you know, just to, you know, give you the same vibe as your outfit basically. These are $1.42 on Shein. All right, you guys, that is it. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed recording this video. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these type of videos. I used to do them a long time ago, and I kind of slowed up on it, but y'all let me know what y'all think. I love all the luxury things, so y'all let me know. Everything will be linked below. You will have discount codes below as well, so leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know which one of these will you be getting. Okay, until next time, bye y'all.